The statements in the following podcast have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The products that we talk about on this podcast are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Individual effects may vary among products. If you have an existing medical condition, please consult your doctor prior to use. Buying wholesale supplements can be one of the easiest and most effective options you can take advantage of when it comes to keeping your inventory well stocked at a good price. When it comes to stocking the shelves of your business, you're going to have a lot of different options. Running a successful company is all about making the right decisions with your finances. If you spend too much on stocking your business without equivalent sales, you could easily put your company's budget in a very bad place. Luckily, there are some simple solutions. If you think a wholesale option makes sense for the demands of your business, then now is the time to understand the advantages. Look over the benefits you can expect from shopping in this manner and see if this is the best choice for the future of your business. First off, the biggest benefit you are likely to see when you buy wholesale is the price. As you probably already know, buying anything else wholesale is a fantastic way to save money. By definition, going about purchasing items wholesale means you are buying larger quantities for more affordable rates. When your company sells a lot of supplements and you want to make sure you always have the right pills and vitamins available for consumers, it can be incredibly useful to have a large inventory. Purchasing wholesale helps to make that possible. Give yourself a moment to explore some prices on the internet. Look at your current supplier and take note of how much you spend each quarter on supplements for your business. After you have concrete numbers, take a look at what it would cost you to start buying the same supplements through different vendors who specialize in wholesale sales. You will notice that the wholesale supplements are far less expensive and keep your shelves adequately stocked for a decent amount of time. Contact a wholesale distributor and get more in-depth information on your options. Often businesses that specialize in the distribution of wholesale supplements are able to provide more options to clients. Since these companies usually have extensive connections, you can expect the selections to be a bit more impressive. If you have been looking for a particular brand without any luck, then your best might be to see what you can do through wholesale vendors. Not only might you be able to find the right brand, you may find it at a fair, more affordable rate than you would be paying through those other channels. Having access to a wide range of options with wholesale supplements can also help to improve the way your business operates. Not all supplements are created equal, and consumers know this. If you are selling an inferior product through your company, then you can definitely expect customers to take note and start moving to other businesses. If you are going to keep your customers happy, you need to know where to turn for the best possible products and the top-of-the-line brands. While you might know that wholesale supplements are going to be more affordable and come with a wider selection, there are a few other advantages you might be less aware of. When you start using wholesale vendors, you are given the option of keeping some of your overhead costs low. Having supplements shipped to your business can be costly. The more frequent your shipments, the more likely it is that you are spending on a ton of transportation costs. Although you still need to have the supplements shipped to your company, opting for wholesale distributors can be a huge benefit to your budget. Since you will not need to make as many small orders with wholesale supplements, you are going to be able to spend less in the long run. Reach out to a distributor and discover your exact shipment options to learn more. When it comes to finding the best options for your company, it can be a good idea to take a look at what wholesale supplements might be able to do for you. Speak with a vendor that specializes in this type of product to get a better feel for what your options are. The more you learn, the easier it will be to make the right call for your company. If you want to learn a little bit more, please read our blog article all about it online at our website at ionlabs.com. And by all means, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page to make sure that you stay updated on all of our brand new podcasts and videos that we release. As always, I'm Max, and thank you for listening to the Ion Labs podcast.